What's up, everybody? This is Jay. Welcome to another product review, shoe review. I got another pair of limited edition kicks that I'm going to go ahead and review and break down. These right here is a limited edition pair of Mambas, Kobe's. Now, Nike has ended the deal with Kobe. It's not because they wanted to, it's because Vanessa Bryant chose not to renew the deal for a number of different reasons. So this is one of the last pair of Kobe's that they releasing, and these right here are nice. And I copped these from StockX, authenticity tag in hand. It's got the snakeskin pattern, low. They call these the Protro because they pro retro versions. And these are the Kobe 6 Protro. And it's coming with the white, black, and the yellow. Can't go wrong with these right here. You can wear these, rock these with any outfit you like. It's got the nice little accent touch with the little snakeskin bumpity bumps. And, you know, it's a clean looking shoe. I wouldn't recommend playing basketball in these, although a lot of NBA players now hoop in low top shoes for some reason instead of mid top to high tops like Jordans or Air Force Ones, mid or high. But nevertheless, they seem to enjoy it. They're comfortable shoes. I don't know if this has anything to do with a lot of the Achilles injuries and things that the players have. But nevertheless, Kobe's are some of the most popular shoes worn in the NBA today. And I know they are very comfortable and look great. And so you can't go wrong in that regards. As far as something to rock with your gear and look good on the night on the town, hey, you definitely can't go wrong. Plus, they get more valuable when you go and check StockX. The price goes up on these like a valuable commodity for Kobe's. Some Kobe's even going for $1,000 and more, especially since the deal with Nike has now ended. Who knows if Vanessa Bryant will ever re-sign with Nike. So they can't produce any more Kobe Bryant shoes with Nike. So with that being said, they are going to be more valuable eventually because you can't get any more and they won't make any more retro Kobe's. So until she re-signs with Nike, with Kobe shoes, that's a wrap. That's all, folks. Anyway, I'm glad I copped me a pair before the price went too high. It was more than I would have preferred to pay for a pair of shoes. But at the same time, it wasn't no $400, $500, $600 and up like a lot of Kobe models are going for. So I do still kind of feel lucky. Anyway, I'm going to put the link in the description box below if you all want to check out on StockX a couple of pairs of Kobe's or any other shoes. You'll be able to get a little deal, maybe even some money off. And look out for my next video, product review, shoe breakdown, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Deuces. Hit me up if you want me to review your next product or shoe. I'm out.